guys, welcome back to Kicking It with the Canards. Today is the 27th, so 2 days after Christmas. Yesterday we just hung out, went to a friend's house, so we are gonna get cleaned up today. It's always the after Christmas aftermath. We had a great time. I hope you guys did too. We just stayed home, hung out with my mother-in-law and uncle, and we just chilled, ate food, played with our new toys. We need to reset the house. I got a Roomba, so we set that up. We like charged it all night, so I want to get everything cleaned up so we can try to use it. I'm super excited about that. We named him Romeo, and the house is just a mess. You know, it's all the new toys, all the new stuff you get that doesn't yet have a home. Trying to figure out where all of that goes when we're already like bursting at the seams. I feel like dishes aren't too bad because we've been eating leftovers, so that's not bad. Just have some mail. All this stuff needs to, this is where the catastrophe is. Just like everywhere it goes, and science experiments on the table. Someone trying to get into a Ferrero Rocher, however you say it. Toys everywhere. This is like an indoor like basketball hoop thing that we got for Keenan, like a double one. So maybe we'll try to put that together if we can. Cameron's stuff is there. The baby stuff is there. Boxes, empty boxes we gotta put away. All that. Breakfast from the baby on the floor.
Breakfast and oh jeez.
Watch out, why is your new tablet on the floor? Pick it up, please. Thank you. Kylie is at an all-day playroom. The only thing I would like to try to do is go out to Old Navy because we have a bunch of, well, I have like all my workout stuff. I want to get a size up, and Kylie has a pair of pants that need to be returned. I need to see if Cameron's stuff fits in. We got a lot of stuff from Old Navy, so see if that we can get out and exchange that. And yeah, we just need to reset the house. Tonight, one suggested to do appetizers, like what everyone's gonna do, a couple appetizers, and then we'll do cookies and then Santa gift exchange. I'm making bruschetta and I'm making spinach and artichoke dip, and then these white chocolate cranberry cookies. So let's start getting cleaned up and see how long this is gonna take us. Let's try it. Hit clean.
We need that little thing.
I don't need that for anything. That, remember what I said? That doesn't